Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Dee, Dejanay, whatever y'all would like to call me. This is my first YouTube video, so make sure to give me a like, comment something that you want to see from me in the future, and turn on my post notifications to see when I'll be posting new YouTube videos. So today's video is going to be based on the infamous wet hair look. I've been seeing it for the past couple weeks now. My Instagram, Twitter page, YouTube, so I said why not give it a try. So you want to check it out, just keep watching. Okay guys, these are the products that I use. I use this first, followed by my KinkyCurly Not Today, and then I use my Coconut Eco Styler Gel to smooth down my hair. And then I followed it with my Gorilla Snot, which is going to help keep my edges flat. And to detangle, I use both my Denman and my white tooth comb. And then, you know, a toothbrush for your edges and stuff. And yeah, that's it. Let's get started. They said the key to this look is having your hair completely be detangled, knot free, detangled. That's why I use my Not Today leave-in conditioner. Let's look at that. I hope you can see my hair. Can you even see it?
Yeah. You see? It's great.
But the shrinkage is about to be mad. I don't know how much gel each person used, but I'm using like a lot because it needs to lay flat. Still got a lot of hair left, but we're doing good. We're doing good, guys. Let me know if you guys want to see me do a review on the curl kit. If y'all don't know what a curl kit is, it's literally like a monthly subscription, and they give you 4 or 5 products from like a brand, so you can like try it out on your hair and stuff. It's really cute. It's not that bad. And I've been doing it for like about a year now, and I just got these new products. They're called, what's it called? Little Body. I haven't tried it out yet, so if y'all want to see me do a video, let me know. let me know. Because my roots are so thick, I focus putting the gel more in that area so it can lay flatter. The ends of my hair have no problem, it's just the roots. The roots are just so thick. Let me brush everything back. I'm impressed. I think this is it for the styling. I think I'm gonna wait for it to dry, put some earrings on, a little fit, show you the finished look. But this is what it looks like when it's completely wet. This is this side. Yeah, as soon as I finish drying my hair, I'll come back and you guys will see the finished results.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I'm back. My hair is still pretty wet. It's been like 2-3 hours by now, but it's like 50%. I thought it'd be dry by now, but I did put a lot of gel in. But this is the final result. My hair came out super defined. That edge is a little messed up, but it looks good. I don't know why I didn't do this look before, and I'm actually like kind of upset I didn't, but it looks good. The back probably looks like kind of crusty, kind of weird. I got a really bad haircut, so my hair is like really uneven, as you can tell. There's like a bunch of random curls just sticking out everywhere, but If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.